Hi, I'm Jason Killoran with Willow Garden. My wife and I run a certified organic vegetable farm just over on the other side of Hanover. I have just always enjoyed working outdoors. Like a lot of people, I feel like most people would aspire to have a way of making a living and working with their hands and being in nature. I've had some fortunate opportunities where I was able to go into the Peace Corps. I spent 2 years in Eastern Europe where I got to see a lot of small farm operations, and I was really inspired over there to come back and connected with my family and started a little bit of a farm business on some of their land. And over the past 10 years have grown it considerably to the point where now my wife and I are living full-time growing produce and serving our community with organic produce, plants, and sugar products like maple syrup and honey. So it's going really well. We're really fortunate to continue to do this life. It has its challenges, but it's well worth it for sure. If you'd like to learn more about us, you can check us out at willow-garden.com. Google Willow Garden. We are just located about 30 minutes outside of Jackson in the Pulaski Township. Come by, we do farm tours, and we are happy to take orders online. Anyone wants to try out some of our tomatoes come summer, look us up, shop online, and see what we got. Thanks.